Hey, it's Kim here from the Timeslip Simulator. So once you've installed the TSS onto your computer, you'll see a shortcut on your desktop. Mine happens to be over here, so I'm going to double click that to start the TSS. The first thing you're going to see is the configuration pop-up. So what you can do here is change the screen resolution. Mine's set to 1920 by 1080 because that's the size of my monitor. If you're on a laptop, it'll probably be smaller than that. You can typically leave it at the default unless you find that the TSS is being clipped on the top and the bottom, and then you might need to adjust this. Currently it's set to windowed mode, which means it'll open in a typical window which has the close and sort of scale or resize options in the top right hand corner. You can switch that off and then it will run in full screen mode, which will take up the entire screen. I'm going to leave it on windowed mode. Graphics quality doesn't do anything, so you can just ignore it. Select monitor. I have two monitors on this computer, so I've got mine displaying in the right monitor. If you only have one monitor, it'll just say display one. When you're ready to go, just press play. So here we are on the TSS splash screen where you enter your activation code. The activation code will be in your email. Now the easiest way to copy the activation code is to use the keyboard's command Control-C. So you highlight the activation code in your email, hold down the Control key and press C. Come back to this screen and you can either press Control-V or press paste to enter your activation code. The first time that you use the TSS, just make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you're ready, press continue. So here we are on the timeslip entry screen. This is where you'll enter your first timeslip, which I'll show you how to do in an upcoming video.